Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do text to speech on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom. So here you can see that I record a video. So once it is recorded, so now I'm going to add text in my video. Click on tick mark. Okay, and from here you need to click on text. So now I am going to add text. So once text is added, click on text. And here you can see text to speech option. Click on that. And now you can see that you can easily hear that sound of the text. So let me unmute my sound. Click on text to speech. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.